Right, hello guys, welcome back to another unboxing. From the picture you've seen, you know it's Mr. Diorama's Akihabara diorama, Japanese street scene, a very colourful one if you've looked at his website. A bit difficult to purchase for UK delivery on a website, so you have to contact him on Instagram. He did mention that there could possibly be custom duty to be paid, but I got mine delivered with no further payments needed for import duties, so all good there. Let's have a look what we've got. Particularly excited for this one. And now I'm going to put some colourful JDM cars into the display. Okay, let's see what we've got. The road here. Mr. Diorama's Akihabara game, capsule dispenser, drinks machine. Akihabara. Here we've got these actual street level So let's attach the extra pieces to it. The top ones first. Followed by the side, well, the front facing ones. Right, let's get into some quick fire unpacking of some cars to go in this diorama. So we're going to unpack 6 cars on the quick. Got the 711 Supra. Got the Volkswagen Brasilia. Volkswagen Brasilia. Supra A80 in purple. That's Mini GT. Pop Race Orange Supra. Mazda RX-8 Re-Amania. There's 3 Supras on this diorama. Obviously you can chop and change cars. Next up we have the Mazda RX-8. And next up we've got a Darwin Pro Supra. Lovely detail, headlights. Nice bodywork detail, aero detail. Next up we've got another Supra A80 purple. Here we have the GT300 Top Secret in purple A80 Supra. Lovely details on the decals. Nice giant wing as well. Pricey, yeah. Mini GTs can be pricey. They're cheap in China, but they can be 1.5 to 2 times the price imported. But for me, that's well worth the money. I mean, compared to the Hot Wheels premiums. Okay, let's add that. Two premiums from Hot Wheels. First up, we've got the Volkswagen Brasilia. Nice vibrant green. Okay, let's crack this one open. We've got the Hot Wheels Premium, the Volkswagen Brasilia. So compared to the Mini GTs and Pop Racers, there's not a great amount of detail on it. It's a good build, metal base, metal casting, rubber wheels, but the detail is lacking. So just your price difference, £9 for this and £10 to £15 or £18 for Pop Racer Mini GT import prices. Obviously cheaper in Hong Kong and China if you can get there. But this is the difference. But the different markets, you know, I like all of them. I like the Hot Wheels premiums, I like the China premiums. Horses for courses, as they say. So let's add that. Last but not least, Toyota Supra 711 version. Let's crack this bad boy open. Okay, 711 Supra. Slightly more detail on this one. It's a silver series, it's not bad for a silver series. Nice wheels, nice decals there. 711 livery on the spoiler as well. Again, massive difference in detail. This is not a bad silver series. Akihabara Japanese diorama. And check out how cool this diorama is. Would you buy this diorama? Get yourself over to Dr. Is it Doctor? No, it's Mr. Diorama's website and check out what they've got. For the UK shipping though, you're going to have to contact him on Instagram. As always guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this latest unboxing. Subscribe please and follow me for some more.